Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's beautiful brand new Mardi Gras. This particular category is a balcony. It's the most prevalent on the ship. It's a fantastic option for so many people. Now keep in mind you can book this room or any of the rooms and suites on HarrTravel.com. We have interactive deck plans. You can pick the perfect location for you, your friends, or your family and still get that signature Harr Travel service. Now let me show you what the room is all about. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you're gonna have this power saving device. Make sure you put your key card in. That's gonna activate the lights and all the electrical in the room. You've got your temperature controls right here, and then directly across, you're gonna find your closets. So I do love that you're gonna have a ton of hanging space up and down, and also the shelves will go up and tuck away so you can customize as you like. You have your safe in here, perfect for a small device, passport, wallet, things like that. Not quite big enough for a laptop. And then down below, you've got the drawers that pull out completely. It's a really nice touch. And then at the bottom, that whole drawer pulls out as well. Really nice and convenient. Continuing along, you have more of the same storage space, hanging storage all the way across, and shelves up and down. Now let's check out the bathroom. You've got the toilet tucked here in the corner. You've got a little bit of storage up and down, the magnifying mirror as well, a little bit of storage under the sink as well, and a single vanity. Now I like the way they've designed the showers. There's quite a bit more space than they previously have had. So I'm gonna shut that there. I love that there's not a shower curtain. I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy, I can stretch out in here. You're gonna have your shower wand that's adjustable up and down. And then you also have the clothesline that'll pull across so you can dry your bathing suits. Now let's head into the main part of the room. You're gonna have your couch here. If you have more than 2 passengers staying in the room, that's also gonna double as the extra bedding. As they always do, they'll do turn down service every evening and make it up in the morning. I like that they have an extra reading lamp here for those who are staying on the couch bed. Now that does open up as well. Directly across, you're gonna find a backlit vanity there. You can pull the seat out, you can sit and get ready or use it as a writing desk. They have a really nice charging station here with 4 USB plugs and 3 US plugs as well. You're gonna have shelves up and down, your mini fridge underneath there, and a couple more drawers as well. Continuing along through the space, you're gonna have your bed. So this is in a configuration of 1 large bed. You can also separate it apart into 2 twins. Of course, your cabin steward will be happy to do that for you. You've got reading lamps on each side, and they both have USB chargers, a really nice touch. You can store your bags underneath. It's perfect for that. Also, you can enjoy those fantastic Carnival towel animals. Directly across from the bed, you're gonna have your large flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. So now I'm out on the private balcony. You're gonna have 2 chairs and a table. Perfect place to take advantage of that room service menu. You have a nice cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. Now what I love about this is it's your own private outdoor space. You can sit out here, take advantage of the incredible ocean views, and enjoy everything that cruising's all about. Now when you're ready to book your next cruise, make sure you do it on HarrTravel.com. Once again, you can pick the exact room or suite that you prefer and take advantage of the full Harr Travel signature service. Thank you so much for watching today, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you, your friends, family, or group to craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.